voice vote yo video voice kama di ida ka sarkar ka man be ka tet am di policy kan dem ganu ganu gundan ikan fani ida pinang asam ikan fani ida pinang asam ni am hindi tagi pili am hindi tagi kan ikan problem ko yung ida di ka ida statement da ready to statement da kaliang kan ga asam le jay am hindi nong kan yung ka di benar berjiu puri fani piu wanra di yang kata majority kami ini haga notice yung yang kata voice vote yang pinang mekalya at pinang asam but peneran cura na kaliang yung iba yung wala lang peneran pinang yung basna kapan ini ko pa marchis nang kan kia army yung chinuyao kan itu yung step ni ngap kan anu social media dia liga na kaliang kami express season do sedang pay bercam ni hatai aduh iya nya nga do nga siaw nga ta patagal penal original nga ta penal original betul pala ka penal arto ka mo citay ada kena ka original betul betul ini yo peniwai kita majority kang golakis ko madiya yang peniwai kita majority yer khang ira ito nang asam macam ni hato bardan ta kala ni kaya wangin parajat para benru yang i kanu kecil mentai ni harapkan lagi isnya ko ira ka badati dapat jore kita lang yang ngango hasla kejap yang besar kam colo sarkar besar wan rak ni yang kita di majority yo peniwai hidup parba yo siang la peniwai ho ya ka permission ka pada eu ni dia cibot
kalau bisa legislate kategori kacar we are from Meghalaya. So only one thing you want to ask us, like how do you feel or your opinion about this? Because according to the notice we got about your result. So we have seen today. So what's your opinion from your side, sir?
Today I come here in this Baikam place based on the order given by Qatar DCC. So the main purpose of coming here is to come and verify your documents related to those schemes which is enjoyed by people of Baikam place from the Assam government. So that is the main purpose to come and see. And yeah, that is the main purpose.
Yeah, you came for that purpose.
Yes, for the purpose only.
Okay, one thing, sir. The one thing is that today we have seen that there are like what we have known about the issue is one from Meghalaya they send out the notice or voice vote, and one from Assam is for the document. So like we have seen today, the people are having some confusion. So is there anything clash or like misunderstanding between the Assam and government Meghalaya? Like the notice are different they got now. So
yes. So far to my knowledge is concerned, I don't think there is any clash of opinion because our DCSR sent message to Credit DCSR regarding this program only. So based on that, maybe Credit DC issued that order. So personally, like I don't have idea. Later on, only I get to know the message from Credit side only. So what I know is that I'm being instructed to come and conduct your documents verifications. That's all from my side. Thank you.